In this video, I'll show you how to log into your Facebook account if you are unable to log in due to an unexpected error. Now, in case you encounter this issue, here are working-based solutions to fix this problem. So now the first solution, you need to locate either your browser or your Facebook application, then tap and hold on that app, then select App Info. Now here under App Info, you select Storage and Cache. So guys, make sure to clear storage and cache. After doing that, the next step, you need to go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store. Then search for the Facebook application and make sure you update your Facebook application. After doing that, you can try logging in to your Facebook account. But if you encounter the same issue, the second solution, open your Facebook application. Now here on the home page, just click on Forgot Password here at the bottom. Then you can either search by email or mobile number. So enter your email address. Then click on Continue. So click on Continue. So a confirmation code will be sent to your email address. So go ahead and open your Gmail application. Then copy this code. Now submit that code and then click on Continue. So now you can choose either to create a new password or skip. So I'll skip. So by doing that, you'll automatically log in back to your Facebook account and fix the problem. Another solution to fix this issue, go ahead and open your browser that you normally use. Now here in the search bar, just type in facebook.com. Then you click on enter. Now here on the sign in page, just click on create a new account here at the bottom. Then click on create new account. Now guys, here's the trick. Ensure that to submit the same details as that of your Facebook account that you are unable to log in, from name, date of birth, and even the contact info. Now enter the full name. Then you click on next. Now enter the same date of birth. Then click on next. Then enter your gender. Then you can enter your contact info. Make sure it's the same. Then you click on next. So Facebook will detect that there is an account with the same details with what you're trying to create. So they'll give you two options. Help me log in and continue creating account. So you select the very first option, help me log in. So now you click on try another way. So now you can choose to log in via these methods. So I'll select via email. Then I click on continue. So now a confirmation code has been sent to your email address. So go ahead and open your Gmail application. Then open that email. Then copy that code. Go back to your browser. Then submit that code. Then you click on continue. So now you can choose either to create a new password or to skip. So I'll choose to skip. So by doing that, automatically you'll be able to log in back to your Facebook account. Another solution to solve this problem, go ahead and open your Instagram application and log into your account. Then the next step, click on the profile icon here at the bottom right corner. Then click on those three lines here at the top right corner. Then select Account Center. Then scroll down to the bottom. Here under Accounts, select Add More Accounts. Then select Add Facebook Account. So now you'll be prompted to enter your Facebook login details. After doing that, just click on login, and by doing that, you'll be able to log in back to your Facebook account and fix the login issue. So if you find value in today's video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe. So thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you in the next one.